Hi, so I am going to take this time to introduce you to a couple of websites that I found useful for understanding the laws of special education because it can be kind of confusing at times. Now, keep in mind these websites are geared towards parents, but the information is made very clear and concise, and it's very easy to understand. The first website is understandingspecialeducation.com, and you can see on the left-hand side, you just click what is special education. And then it goes through and tells you what special education is. It shows you the categories that fall under special education. It tells the parents how to get started, but it's also really good information for us to know as educators so that we know what parents are looking for. And then it goes under the special education laws. So understanding IEP law and special education. I think this is extremely important for all of us. It's a great resource for us to have, because sometimes we're not very clear on things and what we are supposed to be providing and how to go about things. So this goes over due process, which is really important for us to know, the Individualized Education Program, or the IEP process, which all special education teachers will be writing. And it helps general education teachers understand what it is that special education teachers will be going through. What is IDEA? So this explains to us the Individuals with Disabilities Education, which is the most important law for special education. It covers the free and appropriate education, least restrictive environment, the processes that we need to go through in order to get a kiddo on an IEP, and it has many, 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 many beneficial resources. Section 504. This is something that's important for all of us to understand. It's not the same as an IEP, and it goes through and explains what a 504 is. And then the IEP process. So we have that on here, the IEP guide, private schooling, homeschooling. And then another site that I found useful is Understood. And this is another site that's also geared towards parents, but it does have a lot of really useful information, such as different terminologies and definitions for things that we might not all have a very good understanding of. And this just gives us that nice refresher that we need sometimes. And that's all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you got some useful information.